P, Q, R, and S are respectively the midpoints of side, this many sides of quadrilateral ABCD, such that AC is perpendicular to BD. Prove that PQRS is a rectangle. So we have done a similar question, a tougher one actually. Now we are doing a bit of easier version. So the question is quite simple. We have a quadrilateral wherein the diagonals are equal. So I need not draw, okay, something like this. Yeah, that's good enough. So I need not draw the diagonals to pass mid to each other at a midpoint. So please understand that they're just perpendicular to each other. Okay, and then we have A, B, C, D. So joining the midpoints will get a rectangle is the question. So they already given what they're expecting. All you have to do is prove it. So this is supposed to be a rectangle. What is the property of a rectangle? Yes, in a rectangle we have the opposite sides to be equal and parallel. All the angles are equal to 90 degree. If I prove this, it becomes a rectangle. As simple as that. Okay. So we can call this as, we should be calling this as PQRS. Right, making use of this fact, we'll be able to prove it's a rectangle. Okay, so we have been given the following structure. We have AC being perpendicular to DB. That's one of the given. And what else? That's it. Oh yeah, no. The main thing is P, Q, R, and S are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD, and AD respectively. Okay, anything else? Right, that's it. So we can start off with, to prove PQRS is a rectangle. So for that we'll start off with a triangle, and what should we make use of? Yes, we can make use of midpoint theorem. Okay, so we are looking at proof. Consider triangle ADB. So what we have here is, as P and S are midpoints of AD and AB, right? This implies SP is parallel to DB because of, oh yeah, midpoint theorem. I didn't write it. Midpoint theorem. Okay, so what else? Then we will tell similarly in triangle DBC. What is that we are looking at? In triangle DBC, RQ is parallel to DB, right? Same set of reasoning, and we have written this being the midpoints and all of that, so you don't have to bother explaining yourself more. Similarly in triangle, what is the other triangle? ADC. We have SR being parallel to AC, and at last we have in triangle ACB. In triangle ACB, here we have AC is parallel to PQ. AC is parallel to PQ. So from say 1, 2, 3 and 4, what all can we conclude? The following. So from 1 and 2, we can conclude that we have SP being parallel to PQ, and from 3 and 4 we can conclude that we have SR being parallel to PQ. SR parallel to PQ. This is because of the fact that sides parallel to a common length are parallel to each other. Actually, we can tell lines parallel to. Right? So this we can call it as basically A or something. So we're going to make use of this, that the opposite sides are parallel. And all we have to do is prove that one of the angle is equal to 90 degree and we are done. So this particular angle is equal to 90 degree. So we'll tell that angle AOB plus angle M is equal to 180 degree. So the simple reason being over here, because we have SP parallel to DB and they are co-interior angles. Okay, and so we have angle M is equal to 90 degree. Right, guys? So we have angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, right? With DB being perpendicular to AC. And then what? We can tell that angle RSP is equal to angle M. Angle RSP is equal to angle M. The reason being, yes, we have RS being parallel to AC. RS being parallel to AC, right? And they are corresponding angles. Okay, so this also equal to 90 degree. So from A and B, from all of this, what can we conclude? So from A and B, we can conclude that clearly so as the opposite sides are equal and parallel, also one of the angle is one angle of quadrilateral PQRS is 90 degree. So what can we conclude? This implies PQRS is a rectangle. So how much detail you write is something that we have to be careful with. So sometimes we might miss out something. So see to that you write as much as possible, at least midpoint theorem and all of those key things we can't miss. Other small things here and there, we tend to miss because of exam tension and all of that. That's okay, but see to the key things you guys write. If not, all these questions are pretty simple.